Hello students, welcome back to this channel. This video contains 10 questions on preposition, that is fill up their answers with explanation. Okay. Now no need to remember answers. Pause the video and write your answer. Okay. There is a shopping mall at the corner of the street. This kit will be ready dash a day or two. Speak clearly dash the microphone. He did the work dash his whole heart. Cloth is sold dash the meter. We should try to keep dash the reputation of our school. Parents look dash their children with great love and care. Raj has made dash his mind to stand fast in the class. People run dash riches in the world. My house is dash construction. Okay. Now come to the answer. There is a shopping mall at the corner of the street at. This kit will be ready dash a day or two in. Speak clearly dash the microphone into. He did the work dash his whole heart with. Cloth is sold dash the meter by. We should try keep dash the reputation of our school of. Parents look dash their children with great love and care after. Raj has made dash his mind to stand fast in the class of. People run dash riches in the world after. My house is dash construction under. Okay. Write your mark. How much did you get? Now come to the explanation. Explanation. Question number 1. There is a shopping mall at the corner of the street. Why at? Because here at indicates a point in space. At is used to indicate a point in space. Where is the shopping mall? At the corner of the street. Corner of the street is space. So this is your at. Now another example. When did you arrive at the station? Here station here is space. Where did you arrive at the station? At the station. Another example, I shall be at home all the day. Here home is the pointer in space. I shall be at home, not in home. I shall be at home all the day. When did you arrive? At the station. There is a shopping mall at the corner of the street. All these are a point in space. At indicates a point in space. Okay. Now question number 2. This kit will be ready in a day or two. In a day or two. Why in? Because in indicates within a space of time. Here in indicates within a space of time. In a day or two. Another example, I will do it in a moment. He can finish this work in an hour. I shall be back in a week's time. Within a space of time. Okay, all these are example of within a space of time. So in is used within a space of time. This kit will be ready in a day or two. Now question number 3. Speak clearly into the microphone. Speak clearly into the microphone. Into indicates direction of something. Okay? direction of something into the microphone. Another example, driving into the sun means towards the sun. We had to shade our eyes. The child was frightened into fits. This is an important question. The child was frightened dash fits. Into fits. It means the child was very scared. The child was frightened into fits. Here, fits is a disease, meaning fits are sudden, uncontrolled electrical disturbances in the brain. The child was frightened into fits. It means child was very scared. Okay, it indicates the direction. He has got dash difficulties into difficulties. Yeah, this is also direction. He has got towards the difficulties. So this is into difficulties. Okay. Here into indicates direction of something. Driving into the sun. The child was frightened into fits. He has got into difficulties. Speak clearly into the microphone. All these are direction of something. So into. Now question number 4. He did the work with his whole heart. He did the work with his whole heart. Here with is used to indicate the manner, circumstances, or conditions in which something is done or takes place. With is used to indicate the manner. Here, he did the work with his whole heart. This indicates manner. Okay. Another example, they welcomed the guests with open arms. This is also manner. She sleeps with the light on. This is with each condition. She sleeps with the light on. So, with is used to indicate the manner, circumstances, or conditions in which something is done or takes place. Here, answer is with. Question 5. Cloth is sold dash the meter. Cloth is sold by the meter. By is used to denote using as a standard or unit. By is used for unit. Bananas are sold by the dozen. Bananas are sold by the dozen. Here this is unit to show this standard or unit. This is unit of apples are sold by the kilogram. Kilogram, dozen, hour, all these are unit. To show this one, we use by. Apples are sold by the kilogram. He rents a car by the hour. Okay. So by is used to denote standard or unit. Cloth is sold by the meter. We should try to keep the reputation of our school. We should try to keep up the reputation of our school. Keep up is a phrasal verb which meaning is to maintain. We should try to maintain the reputation of our school. To maintain the reputation of our school. Now question number 7. Parents look after their children with great love and care. Look after means take care of. This is also a phrasal verb. Look after means take care of. Parents take care of children. Take care of their children. Parents look after their children. He looks after his old parents with great care. He takes care of his old parents. Okay. Look after means take care of. This is a phrasal verb. Now question number 8. Raj has made dash his mind to stand fast in the class. Raj has made up his mind to stand fast in the class. Here made up is a phrasal verb. Made up, make up, past tense has made up. This is your past participle of make up. Make up, past participle of make up is made up. Raj has made up. What is the meaning of make up? Make up meaning determine. Make up one's mind means determine. Okay, make up one's mind means determine. He has made up his mind to work hard. Means he has determined to work hard. So here, phrasal verb this one. Make up one's mind is the phrasal verb. Its meaning is determine. Raj has determined to stand first in the class. Raj has made up his mind. Question number 9. People run dash riches in the world. People run after. People run after riches in the world. This is run after also a phrasal verb that means purpose with attention. People run after riches in the world. There is a purpose with a attention. There is a purpose or attention of money. Due to money, people ru- run after riches in the world. Here, run after means purpose with attention. The fielder ran after the ball but could not stop it. The fielder ran after the ball but could not stop it. ठीक है? यहाँ पे जिसके पास ज्यादा पैसा होगा उसके पास ज्यादा लोग रहेंगे, तो ये क्या है हो गया पर्पज, पर्पज विथ अटेंशन. सो रन आफ्टर. फिल्डर रेन आफ्टर द बॉल मीन्स और बॉल के पीछे गया विथ ए अटेंशन, विथ ए पर्पज, बट कुड नॉट स्टॉप इट. माई हाउस इज जस्ट कंस्ट्रक्शन. माई हाउस इज अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन. अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन, अंडर मीन्स हियर बीइंग इन ए स्टेट ऑफ. बीइंग इन ए स्टेट ऑफ मीन्स अभी और कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, कंस्ट्रक्शन चालू है, तो दिस इज ए बीइंग इन ए स्टेट ऑफ. सो दिस इज माई हाउस इज अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन. His application is under consideration. His application is under consideration. अभी तक उसका application approve नहीं हुआ है, under consideration में है, being in a state of. This is the set to 10 questions. Answer and explanations are in the next video. Okay. Write your answer in the comment section. What will be the answer? What do you think? Write your answer in the comment section. The answers and explanations are in the next video. Okay. So keep on watching. Wait for the next video. Thank you.